Everything is moving, flowing, and pulsating. We are urban folks, but always long to get outside, breathing, standing still, leaving the city and exploring nature. The sight of mountains covered in snow, the woody scent of the forest. This undisturbed view where the eyes meet no office building, just open space. All of this helps us to slow down in an instant and enhances our well-being in the long run. If you listen carefully, you'll encounter all kinds of sound in nature. Outdoors, we find balance in our hectic, everyday life. Listen, breathe, get outside,